Hi, hi friends. Welcome back to the channel. If you ever spend more than 3 seconds wondering whether to use Wget or curl to download something in your terminal, you are not alone. I hope in there too. So today we can talk about Wget and curl and their commands and their features. So which one we can use in what particular tasks or jobs. So let me take a terminal. I am going to use Linux, so I'm going to create by using AWS. I'm going to take EC2 instance, so let me take an instance. You can name it as a Linux server, and then I'm going with Imagine Linux itself. Okay, free tire. Then I'm going with T2 Nano. Nano is enough, just we are going to demonstrate that particular tool only. So there is no key, so I'm going to create a key. So pem is enough, create a key, but now to give the name. So we get key, any name you can give, you can create key pair. Once it is downloaded, you can come down, edit on this, and you can click there is no preferences for me, so I am leaving this. I'm clicking on select exist security group without creating anything. I'm going with the default one. So okay, I'm just creating now launch instance. So meanwhile, coming to instance, it will take a few minutes to initialize. So meanwhile we can talk about Wget. So coming to Wget and curl. Wget stands for worldwide, so it's loading. So Wget stands for World Wide Web Get. Its full form is World Wide Web Get. It is one and only job is to download content from the web. Okay, Wget's job is to download from the content from the web. So coming to curl is stands for client for URLs. It is it is for stands for client for URLs. Its job is to transfer data to or from a server. Okay, so web Wget is only for downloading, so curl is for downloading. It is also going to download files, but also testing APIs, sending data, uploading files, and it also supports 20 different protocols as well. Curl, coming to curl, so Wget is only for downloading dedicated archivist. It's designed to download files and most probably for entire websites, recursive following links and all. So we can use Wget. So it's like a simple and robust and perfect for straightforward downloading and all. So coming to curl is also going to download, but it is having different features like APIs and sending data, post get APIs and all. We are going to use curl. So if someone asks you in interview, you can just say that Wget is for downloading and curl is for talking, networking, like that. Okay. Meanwhile, I'll try to connect as well. It is initializing. It will connect, but we wait. Let me show you. It will not connect now because see you may get error. So okay. See, failed to connect to your instance. So actually we have not provided the security SSH port. So coming to security groups, we can give security groups. Yeah, here also you can come to security groups. This is default one which we have taken. See inbound rules, only all traffic is there, so we can edit inbound rules. So we can add a rule, give SSH and you can give 00 anywhere IPv4. Okay, then save. Now again come to this instance connect. Just we are going to explain about curl and Wget, so I am not going to take any SSH and all these things. I am just doing this, demonstrating these commands in EC2 instance itself. So it is connected now. So likewise SSH for Linux 22 port number. Coming to Windows means if you wanted to use Windows means you have to give port number. RDP port RDP you have to give for Windows. So okay, coming to the topic Wget. So Wget is recursion superpower, which is going to have options like downloading. If anything, if in Wget, if we face any issue if the download stops also, we can use a recursion option and we can download by using Wget. And Wget we are able to see whole directory will be going to download. So let me show you ls command, list command. Nothing is there now. This is a new server, so ls nothing is there. We are in EC2 root directory. So now I am going to create a Wget command. So Wget recursive let me give some command, some link, like you can give example. So let me give that. One page. Just I'm giving https example. Just this one, it is going to convert my recursive mode. You can see we get unrecognized option page requisites. Okay, actually first I'll click Wget is available. Missing URL, yes, Wget is available. So let me check this command recursive. Yes, now if you see, it is going to download this example dot index file and all. It is already downloaded, and let me click on a list. I will clear this, and again I will click on ls. We are able to see this example.com. So example.com is all about, it's all about directory. Let me go into that example, and then if you click on ls, index.html file is there. Click on cat index. See, this is the file, which is an example file. Okay, so okay, click clear, then we can come to root directory again, and ls, see directory is there. Now we can use curl command. If you see this Wget command, it is it is going to download a whole directory, and inside that directory we are having file. Coming to curl will only download the particular thing which we want. Okay, let me show you that as well. Curl http, yes, example.com. Any URLs, if you have any URLs you can check, or if you are working in a company you might have URLs, DNS, hosts, IP addresses. These things you are going to work with if you are working with networking as well. You can take your servers like Linux servers, and you are going to check the curl command, telnet command. You are going to check nslookup. These commands you used to check. These are all related to networking part. Okay, then it is going to take this, but I want this in particularly like page.html. Okay, I want this. So now click on list. See, it is going to download in this particular page.html. So again I will click see, same command, but I am not going to give page.html. what it is going to give you the result output you can see now. It is directly presenting here, but it is not downloading here. Click on ls, you are able to see here. See you are, if why this command you can use, where you can use if you wanted to have output without downloading. See, coming to logs and all, if you want logs that is in some URL or something, what you can do by using curl command without downloading particular URLs, that path you can give, and if you click on enter, see like this, you can give the URL. If you click on enter, it will not download, but it will show here like a cat command which we have used before. You can see and you can understand what is the output. But if you wanted to download particularly, then you can use this command. Means you can copy that into particular file or some directories as required. Okay, these are curl and wget commands. So curl is for downloading purpose. So we get curl is for downloading, and also it is mostly used for APIs and calls and all protocols, which is going to have different protocols, like 20 different protocols. But wget is all about downloading. Okay. I will show you few other commands like get request and all. By using curl we are also able to do some different things. So I just wanted to show you. Wait, let me take https json placeholder type picker. So posts /1. These are links I have taken from Google only, so no need to worry on that. See, we are not downloading, we are just doing curl command. So it is just taking this using get request. You are able to see here the details of particular JSON placeholder, this URL. Okay, this is instant like a JSON from a server. This is what you get back from real APIs. Okay, like body, structure and title we're able to see here. Like this we can use this curl option. We'll also use curl post, like get post things also. Okay, uh, like if you want to work with the networking part, like checking curl, or someone asks you to check whether the connectivity is proper or not by using telnet commands, these curl commands. For related part like ns lookup, which are the ip addresses and related hosts are their details and all, you can get by ns lookup as well. So these are the things I just wanted to explain you. So for Wget, which we are going to download a file or web page. Wget for, wait, let me clear the screen. Wget for downloading and recursive downloads, recursive downloads and built-in retries. Okay, can retry. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Coming to curl. Curl is for APIs. It is used for APIs, web pages or web services, for data, transferring data, and for protocols, 20 different protocols like SFTP, EFTPs, and some TPs, and so on. So I have explained you about curl and Wget. Even I faced this interview question. At that time, I don't know to explain properly on that, but I am explaining you so that you can explain in your interview questions. So Wget is used for downloading, but curl is having a uh, vast features like API, get, post, requests, web services. It is used for web services. It is used for transferring data, protocols like 20 different protocols. And also curl is also able to download, and it is also able to showcase. And if someone asked you in interview that why curl, and where did you use this curl in your job or in your daily tasks, then you can say that curl I have used it for different purposes like testing network connectivity, and also I have used curl for uh, checking the logs and all. Without downloading the logs, I have used this curl command and I have checked, and if needed I have downloaded and I have updated to the application team and all, like that you can explain. Okay, thank you team. So thank you guys. Sorry, I am selling. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in next one. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.